Here are some tips on chopping garlic. So first of all, we get our garlic clove and we give it a little bash on the side. So with the flat part of the knife, we just give it a bit of a tap. We don't have to completely smash it to pieces, but we just want to hear a little cracking noise. Then what we want to do is we want to cut off the bottom part of the garlic clove. So not the pointy bit, but the rooty bit. And then the skin should just kind of peel away nice and easily. If it doesn't, you might have to pick at it, but most of the time it comes off nice and easily. Then we slice it in one direction, as thin as we can make it, and then we rock chop the rest of it, and we keep going until it's as fine as we want it. And that's how you chop garlic. Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy!